guys, how's it going? So Benjamin and I are heading down to the garden center right now. I just got word that they received their very first load of spring color. So hellebores, primrose, I think there's some pansies and violas and maybe some other things. And our 10-day, I mean, it looks pretty good, like temperatures in the 40s, but some of the nights there's a couple in the 20s, so it's still pretty cold. So I don't really want to do a ton of planting right now, clearly, especially like in containers that are more exposed to the elements. But I thought if I just got a few, what?
Go see the train.
Yeah, let's go see the train in one moment, okay?
When the train goes by?
Yeah, a train will go by Andrews for sure when we're down there, and we can go look at it. One of Benjamin's favorite parts of going down to the garden center, he likes to go see Nana and Papa, but he also likes to go watch the trains because the tracks go right behind Andrews. So anyway, we're hoping that a train goes by. We just heard one. We could hear the whistle from all the way up here, and he was really wanting to get going. So anyway, about the containers, I thought if I did just a couple of really simple containers, maybe one up on our front porch that's really protected, and one by our back kitchen door, that they might last even if I have to put something over them. You want to go to Jolson Juice too? So we're going on a little date to look at the flowers. We're gonna go to the coffee shop and get a cookie and maybe look at a train. Samantha Grace is with Aaron inside right now. So I don't know, it's kind of like drizzly and overcast today. So some flowers will be really nice. You can kind of see what it looks like outside. Kind of just gray, a little chilly. Hey, are you ready to see Nana and Papa? Okay, here we go. Get you unbuckled. Do you want to leave them out here so that we don't lose them?
No.
You can bring them with you? Okay, well you got to keep track of them then. Here, let's get your arms out. There we go. Okay, can I have your hand please? Thank you. Oh, Benjamin, look, I can see some color already. Look! Look at the flowers, bud. What do you think?
They're good.
They're good? Wow. Oh my word. My mom said that the primrose were amazing and she knew exactly which ones I was gonna pick out. So I'm kind of curious to see which ones she thinks I'm gonna go with today.
I joined it.
You got it? Okay, let's go find Nana and Papa.
This big that water right there. Yeah. Hey Benjamin, come here.
What's going on?
No. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, come here. You come here. Oh, yes, side hug. Side hug.
Yeah, gotta make it quick when there's gum involved over there.
Oh, that's true.
Yep.
Did you see that?
Yes. Now I'm curious which ones you thought I would pick out.
Okay.
Should we run up
Let's go
there?
look.
Okay.
Yeah, let me get my coat.
Okay. Yes, I should have said I was telling him that you had one picked out, and I should have picked it out before we came out here. Dang it. That is the one though. Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Primula Heather Spring Sun Orange. It's kind of a beautiful, like corally salmon pink. That is really pretty. Like this one right there. Look at that. So pretty. You know what though? I also like the copper.
Yes.
I think that's pretty. I also
Yes.
like the blue.
But look at this one.
Yeah, that's
that
a beauty.
periwinkle. That is gorgeous with that.
It is. And the yellow is so
Yes.
bright.
Isn't it so pretty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now where are the hellebores?
This one wants to go get cookie.
You want to go get a cookie? Should we all get into the truck quick?
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, would you like to walk? Okay.
Do you have your mask with you?
Oh, I don't. Let me go get.
Yeah.
Let me go get it.
Let's go get Mama's or Nana's mask. Mama has one in her pocket.
Yeah, I've got to get my mask.
Look at that cow on the pink couch. That's a statement.
It's a statement piece.
It is a statement
I
piece.
think you need to have that at the top of one of your staircases. Hi. Hello. How are you? Good. How are you? Good.
Morning.
Good morning.
Sit next to you right there.
Okay.
I'll sit right there.
You want me to sit by you?
Oh, you want Nana to climb into the back of the truck? Can she sit up here right up here?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh.
I'm coming.
All right, this is a necessary stop, everybody. All right. Looking good. Here we go. Oh, Benjamin's already in. Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you guys doing?
Nope, you really just put it straight on the table.
Yum, buddy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
How's your cookie?
Yeah. You're a great cookie. Whoa. Oh, this is my old office. Look at that.
Okay, now
It's
look
like
at
a shambles.
This needs to be picked up by somebody named Laura.
Oh.
There's succulents.
Oh, I better
there's-
take that one home.
All you can
Flowers.
take this whole pack. This
I
whole
could take
pack.
that whole stack. I like your insulation plan here. That's funny.
Hush your mouth.
Woo! Let's get to the greenhouse. It's coming down. Oh, hey, I have that fountain.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at that bright bench. Oh, and the hellebores. Holy moly. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, look, Benjamin. Look at all of these beautiful hellebores.
Aren't they so pretty?
Yes. Ice and Roses, rose.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes. Wow. And this one is an Ice and Roses white.
I love this one.
Do you love that one?
How pretty that is.
That is pretty. What is that one called? That one,
Look at the ruffle.
Ice and Roses Picotee.
Isn't that
Let me get
beautiful?
close on that one. Yeah, that's a beauty.
Yeah,
Wow.
so pretty.
I like the single whites too, the Jacob.
Yeah,
And then the dark ones are always so pretty.
yeah. These, look at that.
Yeah.
That reminds me of like an Evelyn rose. or
Shooting
something.
star.
Yeah.
And they're upright. So not all hellebores face down, you guys. So Ice and Roses, is it like Brunello or something? I don't know. It's shortened on the tag here. Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
But wait. Wow. More Jacobs. And then these are just full of buds. I can see them down
These are
underneath the
actually
leaf
called
canopy. Huh?
This is a Jesco.
A Jesco?
Jesco. Uh-huh.
It says, oh, Jesco, yeah.
Yeah, a Jesco. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, that is pretty. Clear white. Okay, so I'm thinking that we need enough hellebores just for one of those iron urns that we picked up on our antiquing day. I think I'm only gonna do a pot up by our front entrance because I think back by our kitchen entrance, it's the north side, it gets no light. I think it'd be too cold right there now, like that I've been thinking about it. But up by the sun porch, the heat kind of traps up there, and I think that we'll start small. We'll start small, yeah. So, what should I do? I think I could plant, I'm thinking,
Let's go see Joy.
there, but we don't have hoods and stuff. You don't have a hood or a hat out here, sweetie.
He uses lobbies.
Let's go. I hear it.
Are you using your levies as a hat? Are trains your favorite, buddy? Do you love them? Whoop! Whoa, good job, bud. Okay, come on, let's go back to the greenhouse. Nana's waiting for us. Okay. Yes, we saw the train and we got our shoes all wet in a puddle. I'm thinking since the house is white, I should pick something with some color. So either like, I think maybe, what about these? These are really nice. Maybe 3 of those and I can use some pussy willow branches.
Yes, they're so pretty.
And I could probably squeeze a couple primrose
I'm sure that you could.
in around them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, babe.
Let's go in the greenhouse.
Yep.
Oh, maybe some ferns. Oh, it's nice and toasty in here.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what if I did something like, isn't that pretty?
They're really pretty. So pretty. I like that texture.
I do too.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll do 3 and then I'll do like a fern, and I think I'm pushing it in terms of.
It can't see
For size.
So this greenhouse is from Gardener Supply.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It's been wonderful.
Whoops. You gonna shut it? Let me help you. You like this? I like that.
I think they should probably send us 2 more.
Well, it's withstood all your wind.
Yes, it has.
All that.
Oh, it's just coming right down out here.
Let's get a box.
One more plant here.
One more flower up here off the front. Well, probably like 4 more flowers because I need some for the kitchen windowsill.
Yeah.
After my foot. Or this one maybe. That looks pretty, huh? That one's really pretty. You want to put it in the box? Yeah. That looks great, buddy. I think I'm gonna grab a couple more of these for good measure, just in case I have more room than I think I do. Okay, don't tell Benjamin, but I'm putting this one back. I don't think he will notice. I think that is a really good start. So 3 of the Heather Clear Blue Primrose, 1 of the ferns, which is a Korean rock. Beautiful. And then 3 of the Ice and Roses Rose Hellebores. Boy, this is sure feeding need right now. Now I gotta go pay. Okay. And you guys, they just got a huge new load of houseplants in. They're just working on getting them all priced and put out. Hey, bud. Look at all these plants. Look at all of them. They're everywhere. Ooh, this was a neat one. A holly fern. I love it. And some new caladiums. All right, let's head back and write down what I'm taking. Oh, and then these right here. This is a Schefflera Alpine. They're huge. How much are they? $73.99. Ooh, that's tempting. Gotta stick to my 1 box though. Let's go check on Samantha Grace before we pot up the flowers, bud. Oh, there's this sweet sleeping baby. Oh, what a sweet girl. I never knew that babies could be so content and sleep so much. She's so sweet. Okay. Gonna grab our urn and put it right here in that kind of blank wall space. Now that I'm looking at the size of that container, I think I could actually fit 2 by this front door, which in the past I've used such large containers that I can only fit 1 on the right hand side, which I still have some of my, you know, I've got the blue spruce and the chairs and things like that. I mean, for now, today, I'll just plant this 1, but I might run down and get a repeat of plants so I could plant both of them up here. And that'd be really pretty. Okay, I think the camera shut off before I started putting the pussy willow branches in, which I went inside and gathered those out of those arrangements that I made by our refrigerator on that concrete table. So I do need to clean up my mess. Got a little one going on here. And I'm gonna run to the barn and grab some moss so I can tuck that in around the edges just to make sure all the soil stays in, because these hellebore root balls are incredibly difficult. Like, they're not easy to manipulate, so they are sticking up a little ways out of the container, but not much. Like, if you look here, see how it kind of mounds up? I don't know if you can tell right there. And I think it would be fine, but moss will just help keep everything in a little bit better. So let's go locate some of that. I mean, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, I love it. And I definitely think there's a good opportunity to use both containers up there. I mean, I need to take the blue spruce down and kind of redo anyway and do new spring pillows, which will happen maybe over the next couple of weeks or so. It'll work. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love it. It is so nice to have something fresh and pretty up here, and the sun is starting to come out for us. I will most likely go down and pick up another set of the same flowers to bring up my other urn to have a flanking arrangement. It's so nice to have found some urns that are slender enough to where they really don't get in the way of our sun porch door right there. Not that it's heavily trafficked or anything, but what I'll do over here is we will move the blue spruce out to the new property, which is where it's destined to be planted anyway. We'll shift the chairs over, so they'll shift over this way. I'll put some new spring color on there, like in terms of pillows, and then we'll have another fresh arrangement there on that side. Another fun thing that we're thinking about doing, and I'm not sure if we will actually get to it this year, but I'm going to either paint this door black or have it replaced with a black door. It will still be a door that has a lot of glass in it because I do like the amount of light it allows in, but this is a really old door, and throughout the years, you know, I don't know if just like the house has settled or that in conjunction with like weather, natural weathering, nothing lines up very nicely. Like, it's really hard to lock, and we like to use those automatic locks that you can control with your phone, and we can't do that with this door. Our house is also white with black accents, and to have kind of this random door that just doesn't quite fit in with that scheme, I think it'll look really nice to have it be black. I always admire houses that have black doors. I think it's such a put together look, especially when it goes with everything else, like the fascia board and the shutters and everything else that we do around here. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed going down to the garden center and seeing some fresh color, the first load of plants of the year. And we're still in January, right? Like, I've lost all sense of time at this point. Yeah, end of January. I think this might be a record for putting together a fresh arrangement, and I really hope I don't come to regret it. But our forecast does look, we've got a visitor, our forecast does look really nice, at least for the next 10 days. And this area up here just kind of captures the heat. I think it's the best area to kind of get started and kind of I don't know, just do something like this where we can enjoy it for the next couple of months, or maybe at least just 1 month until we're doing more of our spring containers that are more exposed to weather. And it was really fun to take Benjamin down there just by himself. That's something that I'm really going to be focusing on, is making sure that he still gets a lot of individual attention. I know, you know, bringing a brand new baby into the house, it naturally splits focus. And so we're just trying, like Aaron took him out to the grocery store last night. Benjamin loves to go to the grocery store. So they went on kind of an individual outing to do that together. And then we got to go out today and have our cookie and look at trains and that sort of thing. I don't know, I think it's really important to do. So anyway, super fun morning project today. Hope you guys are doing awesome, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.